For the toy.
Galen's second birthday.
Galen's second birthday. Galing naman mag-ipon.
For your toy.
Iponaryo.
For your future.
Chinese baby po yan kasi
For your
nag-iipon.
toys.
Ang galing naman
Very
talaga.
For your toys.
Masinop na bata. Very good.
Okay, what do you want to buy? For your toys.
I-open niya ng account sa video.
Study. Study.
For lipstick? For lipstick ba yan, nak? For lipstick?
For your second birthday.
Parang ilang buwan na lang. Wow!
Thank you po.
Maganda yan.
Okay, you put the last one to Ayaw na niya ilagay.
Last one. Meron pa dun. Sige.
You should. Come on, you should.
Hindi, parang gusto niya kuhanin. Oo, hindi na yung kinukuha. Ganyan pala. Yay! Very full ang Hungry Piggy. Very full.